Hello guys, welcome back to a new fresh video guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. So guys, sorry for 2 days break and I have a little bit work to do. So today you guys can see I am going to reveal to explain all the camera gear I do use for my vlogs, because a lot of you guys asking me many times to what camera, what lens, and what the drone, other things do you use. So today is the day guys, after a long time, what is inside my camera bag in 2020 I'm going to explain you and to show you guys. So let's do more further in today's video. So guys, let's talk about first the bag. So the bag I use guys is very professional bag, and it's Pro tactic bag is 450. Pro 450 tactic bag is looking like that. Look at that, it's quite heavy. It's not that, oh, is that light, but you guys can see on the side I keep the tripod, and this tripod is not expensive, it's a little bit cheap, but it works very perfectly. So I'm showing you it further in videos. So in this side I sometimes use my water bottle, but mostly it's like that. Look at that. And inside I use some wires if I need. So let's, and outside here is like you guys can see, the only thing I don't like in this bag, like it can't stand like perfectly. It's when you stand is like that and it just fell down on one side and another side. But let's further dive into inside the bag. Okay, don't, so here you, as you guys can see, you can just remove the straps, and it's good for when you are having a little bit more stuff inside. Look at that guys, I'm going to open the bag. Whew. Oh my god. So let's talk about this portion first. Okay, look at that, it's quite beautiful. Here I keep some memory card and some dongles for the computer, you guys can see, and some memory card and card readers in this portion. And let me put it down. And this portion I keep some some quick shutters, if I don't have any person, so I control the camera by these shutters by myself. So here in this portion, like 3 or 4, some for camera, some for mobile as well. This for, you see, for the camera, for mobile. And here I keep the wires for my charging the computer and mobile. And here I keep one pin. And inside in this I keep laptop. So the laptop I use guys is this laptop. The laptop I use is MacBook 13.5 inch 2020, and this is really good for the editing. And the software I use for editing is Final Cut Pro X. So let's dive further into the bag inside. So inside my bag is looking like that guys. Look at that. Ooh, let me show you. Oh my god, look at that. Let me, oh, look at that. So first let's talk about the camera. Right now I'm using, so the camera I do use is Canon 80D. Right now I'm using Canon 80D. I love the flip screen of the Canon 80D and 90D series, because you can see yourself is best camera for the vlogs. And the microphone I use the Rode microphone, Rode video microphone, and you guys can see it's very good for voice. And the lens I use for photos and some shallow depth of field shot is 18 to 135 mm. Look at that. This is good lens for some photos, and is zoom lens, so it can zoom like, look at that. So 18 to 135. And here the drone camera I do use is look at that, the Mavic Air first version. So this is really great camera. Still I love this camera because it's giving me really great footage, Mavic Air. And this iPhone 6 Plus I use for the controller for the DJI Mavic Air, because I mostly keep it full on charge. So whenever I use this, so I use for the controlling the DJI drone controller. And gimbal I mostly don't use gimbals, but for like for my mobile I keep gimbal. So this is the gimbal I use for the my mobile sometimes, but I don't use like 99%, like you can say 100% I don't use gimbal. But it's free version of the, you guys can see, free version gimbal, but it's really powerful there, so I love it. If sometime I need, I can keep it. So here's something, this is my power bank, 20,000 power bank, so on the go it can charge everything for me. This is really perfect. And here, this important stuff here, I keep this stuff for cleaning my camera gears. This is very important. You guys can see all these three things I use for the cleaning. Here you can see one professional brush and some liquid, and this is for cleaning my camera gear. And this is for DJI Mavic. And this is very important thing, I use this walkie-talkie when I'm in adventure trips and I don't have like any connection with mobile, but mostly we use, but when I go with the trip, so we interconnected with this walkie-talkie. You guys can see, and this is very important for me, and I always keep it in my bag. Here I keep my chargers in this portion. You guys can see, this is for my computer, this is for my camera, this is for my mobile. I don't keep so much stuff. I have a lot of stuff, but I don't like to keep so many things. And here you guys can see is charger for my Mavic drone. Oh my god, be careful. So I just keep 3 batteries with my my drone camera. So here you guys can see two more batteries for my camera, DJI Mavic Air. And here I keep some, you know, this is for mobile. When sometime I use mobile and I don't have charge in cameras, oh sorry, so I use this for mobile with the tripod. And here I also keep some, you know, for interview types, like the collar microphone, so when I need it I keep it. So guys, now you guys can see the complete bag is finished. Look at that, this my bag is looking like that. On the side I keep the, let me show you my tripod. This is very small, let me keep, this bag is very heavy. So look at that guys, this tripod I keep for my vlogs, you know, because look at that. So if you move, any way you move, it moves like that. Look at that, it's very handy and it's not that heavy. You know, the Joby tripod, I have seen all these things, but it's really heavy. And the work I need from my camera, it's work with like this tripod is very perfectly, and it's very cheap. So I don't like to have like that very big, it's not that easy to carry. So still it's work for me very perfectly, but when I think it's not working anymore, I would change to the another one, but this is still perfect. So look at that guys. Now let me show you how is this looking like. Ooh. Oh, look at that. So these, oh my camera, what are you doing? So these all the things guys you can see in my camera bag. I hope guys you would understand now which camera and which lens, and for my vlog setup what I'm using. I hope you would must like this video, and if you have any question regarding these all gears and the price, I would must suggest you, I don't have any affiliate links, otherwise I would put in my description. So this is my camera gear guys. I use this on almost daily basis, and another small bag I do have when I don't need to go for long travel. I just keep this bag for long travel, but for my small like outside I use one small bag because I don't carry all the things. I just carry my drone and my camera. So this is all my camera gear guys, and I hope you would like this video. If you like, please drop a thumbs up. And all the things I bought by myself, and I work for this, and guys, you work hard, you can buy this. I earn nothing from YouTube. I just work by myself and I did job, and then I bought all this stuff guys. So thank you so much guys for watching this video. If you like this video, please drop like button, subscribe guys. What are you doing? Like 85% of you guys are not subscribing to my YouTube channel. Please, what are you doing? This is the time to subscribe my YouTube channel, and I'm bringing you a lot of new content, and in the future a lot of things are coming. So hopefully you would today, so you would consider to subscribe, and it means to me a lot guys. So life in China guys, this was it for my today video. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until tomorrow, take care of you and your family. Bye bye, love you all, and peace.